Analyst course syllabus step by step. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step SOC Analyst course syllabus. If you want to become a Tier 1, Tier 2, or Tier 3 SOC Analyst, this roadmap is for you. Our Module 1. Introduction to SOC and Cybersecurity Basics. Objective: understand the fundamentals of cybersecurity and SOC operations. What is a SOC? Roles of Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 SOC Analysts. Overview of cybersecurity concepts. CIA Triad, confidentiality, integrity, availability. Key terminologies: threats, vulnerabilities, exploits, and risks. Hook for viewers. By the end of this module, you'll understand how SOC teams protect organizations from cyber threats. Module 2. Networking and OSI Model. Objective: master networking fundamentals for SOC operations. OSI Model explained layer by layer. TCP/IP protocols: HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, DNS, SMTP, SNMP, IP addressing, subnetting, and routing basics, packet analysis and network troubleshooting, hands-on with Wireshark for packet capture. Pro tip: every SOC analyst must know how to read packets and understand network flows. Module 3. Security Tools and SIEM Mastery. Objective: learn how to detect, investigate, and respond to incidents. SIEM tools: Splunk, search, dashboards, alerts, reports. Elk Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, QRadar, and Sentinel Basics. Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR, CrowdStrike Falcon, Carbon Black, Microsoft Defender, ATP. Other SOC tools: Wireshark, Suricata Snort, VirusTotal, Hybrid Analysis, Sysmon, and Sysinternals Suite. Tip for YouTube: show screenshots or quick demos to keep viewers engaged. Module 4. Threat Intelligence and MITRE ATT&CK. Objective: learn attacker techniques and build detection strategies. Understanding threat intelligence, MITRE ATT&CK framework mapping, common attack vectors, phishing, malware, brute force, DDoS, privilege escalation, identifying IOCs and TTPs, using threat intel platforms and Omali, MICE Threat Connect. Module 5. Incident Detection and Response. Objective: gain real-world SOC investigation skills, how to triage security alerts, log analysis using Splunk and ELK, malware analysis basics, incident response playbooks, case study investigating a ransomware attack. Engagement tip: create scenarios like hackers are inside our network, let's hunt them down. Module 6. Hands-on labs and simulations. Objective: practice like a real SOC analyst. Building a SOC home lab with VirtualBox VMware, setting up Splunk plus Sysmon Windows event logs, simulating phishing attacks and detecting them, creating dashboards and alerts in Splunk, investigating real malware samples safely. Module 7. Reporting and documentation. Objective: learn to communicate effectively. Writing SOC investigation reports, escalation procedures. Using ticketing systems like Jira and ServiceNow. Daily, weekly, and monthly SOC reporting best practices. Module 8. Certifications and career growth. Objective: build your SOC analyst career path. Recommended certifications: CompTIA Security Plus, Splunk Core Certified User, EC Council CSA, SciSA+, GCIA, GCIH. Resume tips for SOC seek jobs. Preparing for SOC analyst interviews. Conclusion and call to action. If you follow this step-by-step syllabus, you'll have the skills, tools, and confidence to land your first SOC analyst role. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.